Hey, foodies! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, how a plant-based diet could potentially cure food allergies and intolerances. Did you know that food allergies affect over 250 million people worldwide? That's right, and it's a growing issue. But here's the good news, switching to a plant-based diet might just be the game-changer you need. Stick around to discover how plants can play a pivotal role in transforming your health and help you overcome food allergies once and for all. In today's video, we'll explore how a plant-based lifestyle can potentially alleviate and even cure food allergies and intolerances. By embracing this diet, you can boost your energy, improve your digestion, and feel incredible from the inside out. Let's unlock the secrets behind the power of plants and how they can dramatically improve your quality of life. Food allergies and intolerances can severely limit your diet and make everyday eating stressful and challenging. Whether it's gluten, dairy, or other common allergens, these reactions are not only inconvenient but can also impact your overall well-being. It's crucial to find a way to address these issues naturally and effectively. Now, let's dive into why a plant-based diet can be beneficial. Research shows that plant foods are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation. Many allergic reactions stem from inflammation and imbalances in the gut microbiome. By consuming a diet abundant in whole, plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you support a healthier gut environment, which can help mitigate allergic responses. For example, foods like broccoli, spinach, blueberries, and almonds are not only nutritious but have anti-inflammatory properties. These can help reduce the severity of allergic reactions over time. Additionally, the fiber in plant foods promotes a healthy gut, crucial for managing and even preventing intolerances. Here's a fascinating insight. Studies have shown that a plant-based diet may alter the body's immune response to allergens. By reducing processed foods and focusing on nutrient-dense plants, you're allowing your body to recalibrate and react less aggressively to allergens. Imagine swapping out inflammatory triggers for nourishing foods that make you feel your best. So, how can you start this journey? Here are a few simple tips. Start slowly. Begin by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet each week. Swap animal products for delicious alternatives like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. Experiment, try new recipes and flavors to keep your meals exciting and diverse. Plant-based doesn't mean boring. Educate yourself, understand which foods provide essential nutrients. For instance, leafy greens are excellent for calcium, and legumes are a great protein source. Consult a professional. Consider speaking with a nutritionist to create a plan that meets your dietary needs while addressing any specific allergies. In conclusion, embracing a plant-based diet can be a powerful strategy for managing food allergies and intolerances. It's all about nourishing your body with the right foods that promote healing and well-being. If you're dealing with food allergies, why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and share it with everyone you know who might be struggling with food allergies. Subscribe to our channel for life-changing health and nutrition tips you won't want to miss. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Leave a comment below to share your experiences or questions about going plant-based. Who knows, you might just find the secret to a healthier you right here. Let's build a community that thrives on wellness together. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.